If you want to set up Face Unlock on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case you want to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're going to scroll down in order to find Security and Privacy, and then in here we're going to choose Device Unlock. After that, we can go to Face. Of course, in order to be able to set up the face recognition, we need to have a screen lock password. If you don't have one, then you will be asked to do so. So after that, we can scroll all the way down and we can choose I agree, and then press start. And if you have limited vision or head motion, you can choose this text over here, set up for limited vision or head motion. So we're gonna press start and we will open the front camera and we need to put our face into the frame. You will have to move your head up and down during the process, and once you set it up, then you have the option to skip the lock screen with the face recognition, and then we can press done in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.